Hey guys, Trevor here with Grainfreeme. I just wanted to do a very short update tonight after uh, the other video. I managed to get 9 recipes up on the webpage finally, and so they are ready to view, ready to purchase and download. Everything's just a PDF that you should get in like 10, 15 minutes after purchase that you can print. I tried to make the recipes easy enough to read on like a tablet. A cell phone, it's not really an option for recipes. I mean, like if you turn it sideways, yeah, maybe, but trying to read uh, up and down. But that's the personal license agreement is part of it. You guys can pick one up or um, print it out, use it on your tablet or laptop or whatever. But here's what I actually managed to get put up today. And I apologize. I'm just going to put a link in the bottom. I'm going to have to rework the website at some point because I didn't realize how complicated I had actually made it when I first started setting up everything. So here's what I got up today. Bread and Bun Chaffle. That's my main go-to recipe that you can build so much other stuff out of. So that's a $5 version. I have any of the recipes that I have YouTube videos about. I tried to link those too. So there's the blueberry chaffle, apple cinnamon chaffle, bacon chaffle, breakfast sausage chaffle, pepperoni pizza chaffle, ground beef pizza chaffle. And then, so those are all $3 add-ons along with the perfect pizza sauce recipe that I've been using here for quite a while. Super easy, tastes great. You can get more complicated if you want, but this is seriously 5 ingredients, no cook. That's a $2 recipe. And then I also threw up the cheese pizza and garlic bread chaffle, which is free. So, a little extra bonus there for anybody that buys into the rest of the recipes here. Um, every little bit helps, guys. The couple dollars here and there goes to more ingredients, goes to more gadgets and stuff to try down the road. It goes to the cost of hosting the website, the cameras, the lighting, all of it. It's it takes a bit of money to get this up and going, but I'm just really happy to have it up there. And I'll post a link under the video for the direct page so you don't have to jump through 4 or 5. I'm not a web designer. I don't know how I ended up making it that complicated, but blame it on the brain fog. Maybe I'll get it cleaned up down the road now that I'm actually working again with it. Uh, Other quick note too is my trademark should have gotten posted on the 26th. So with any luck, no one's going to complain, and Grain-Free Me will officially be trademarked here, copyrighted, uh, you know, whatever you want to call it. Um, but yeah, go check out the recipes if you want, guys. It's start off with the bread and bun chaffle. From there, $3 here, $3 there for the full recipes that once you see them, you'll kind of start understanding why what I'm doing is a lot different than other recipe sites and cookbooks out there. I go into a lot of detail with every ingredient that I have to, because I want people to learn what to look out for sensitivities, allergens, and just bad stuff that doesn't need to be in our food system. So thank you guys for checking it out, and if you have any questions about the recipes, you can shoot me a message through the webpage. And we'll talk soon. Signing out from Grainfreeme in Fremont, Nebraska. Take care, guys. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time.